Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to present my assignment title about AC motor protection. My lecturer name is Encik Wan Ismail and my name is Muhamad Naim Amierul bin ROSME PF19020 and my partner name is Muhamad Firdaus Naim bin Rozilani Azman PF19003. Okay, what is AC motor protection? Motor protection is one of the important criteria when we involve the AC motor installation, wiring and termination work. Second, motor protection have two basic protection. First, overload protection. Second, short circuit protection. For the F1 protection, unbalanced supply voltage, under voltage, reverse phase, over temperature, stalling. Okay, next. We have AC motor protection have a type of motor protection device. Overload protection, short circuit protection, over temperature protection, under voltage protection, and phase failure and reversal protection. For the typical cause of motor fault, the most common cause of motor fault failure and arguably the most difficult to overcome is low resistance. Low resistance is caused by the degradation of the insulation of the winding due to conditions such as overheating, corrosion, or physical damage. Motor overheating the power supply circuit for the motor and may be caused by overheating, overload, and over voltage. Lastly, about 80% of electrical motor failure are a result of winding damage in the motor, stator, and bearing fault. Okay, for different of AC motor and DC motor have 4. Alternative current for AC motor can include variable frequency drive to control his motor speed and torque. Low startup power demands, last high durability and longer lifespans. For DC motor, advantage different. For DC motor, direct current available in self-excited and separately excited type model, simple installation and maintenance, high startup power and torque. Okay, for overview of AC motor protection, commonly magnetic contactor, fuse, molded case, circuit breaker, MCCB, and overload relay, and used for motor control device of induction motor. For F1 protection, we can adapt for protection against unbalanced supply voltage, under voltage, reverse phase, over temperature, and stalling. Complete system and principle of protection for AC motor. For overcurrent protection, the amount of excess current through the motor and the motor protection unit move. For overload protection, is the type of protection which is against the mechanical overload condition. Low voltage protection, the device is used to disconnect the motor from the voltage source of the power source in case the voltage. For phase failure protection, is used to protection of motor in case of any phase failure during the operation of the motor. For the phase reversal protection, is a protection technique that is used to protect a motor from the phase reversal condition. Lastly, ground fault protection is used to protect the motor from different short circuit conditions. Okay, for the conclusion, as we know, AC motor protection is only used in industry application like computer, conveyor system, fan and air conditioner, hydraulic and irrigation, pump and transportation equipment. Motor protection is again the single phase and the high temperature is achieved by simply interrupting the power supply in the load, especially by the use of comparator transistor driven relay. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.